The thing about Trustmarque is they're really good at keeping in touch with me just through the year about new developments in storage. I don't typically change vendors unless they've let me down. So the fact that I've been with Trustmarque for many a year is a testament to how well they've dealt with us as a company and as a vendor.
European production and sports broadcaster IMG Studios recently refreshed their unstructured data environment for Premier League football media and archive. Having worked with IMG for over 15 years, Trustmarque won the RFP and workshop process. They helped seamlessly migrate to the new infrastructure and continue delivering the power of technology.
Premier League football, for these guys, the crown jewel workflow, this is the biggest output or the biggest export from a UK perspective that we have. They expect a certain production level, they expect a certain quality of product, so we have to ensure that we meet that.
We looked at all the technology within that marketplace. It was about 9 different vendors. And the one great thing about working with Trustmarque was because Chris has been through this process with myself many a time, he knew exactly what to bring to the table from the solution that they were presenting.
The migration was done very well, and I knew I can trust them. We've worked in the past, so I knew the engineers that I worked with in the past. The same engineers been working with me for this migration as well.
They're very stable also, right? You end up working with some of the same people, and that's always the key in a good vendor, is that you don't have constant change of managers, project managers, people that you work with, of account managers. When you have that, you're then dealing with new people, you have to build up a relationship.
The company is pleased, the migration was seamless, people didn't really notice anything, the end user didn't have to change anything, the IT people didn't have to change anything in the back end.
I go into this very pragmatic in the sense that there will always be issues, right? How can there not? These technology solutions always have something gone wrong with it. And from the business, we had nothing at all. Everything went perfectly. So, which is quite unusual to tell you the truth. You normally hear something, but there was very, very little that went wrong within that process.
We've been fortunate enough to work with IMG for well over 10 years in numerous different fields and capacities. And for us, it's about continuing that good work and making sure that we keep delivering for them in all the areas that we deliver for them. We're about outcomes, we're about making sure our customers are happy, and we don't sell something and that's the end of the relationship. We're very much trying to stay with them, trying to make sure they're using it in the right ways, trying to support them, trying to do all these things, because ultimately a happy customer is a long-term customer, which fortunately IMG have been over the years.